our first test fit now, fastened in place. You can see around here, nice tight fit all the way down and around it. Nice tight fit in there, looks really nice. You can see that there is the forward etching, bottom of that reproduction glass. So I say glass isn't in there. Here's what we have on the inside, what's going on. You can see how the trim ring goes in here, screws through to the outside. You can see it right here a little bit through. I haven't filled this in yet, but I will. You can see how I'm filling this up now. Build this up for the right thickness here for this trim ring to come down to sandwich the glass in and squeeze and tighten this whole unit around the top. That's what holds it in place. A little wide right here. I already made a pencil mark on this. I'll grind that back. It's real nice down here. All the way over here on this other side. Spin you around here. Everything down here fits real nice. We'll fill this back in, do a little more finish work on all this. Finish this off here. And then we'll pull our upholstery back up and put on. You can see the upholstery hanging down over there. We'll pull that back up. I've got it papered off here, but it's our upholstery. We'll glue that back on. That should make it nice and finished on the inside. So okay, this is what we have. I'll bring it back when I get all the rest of this all finished off. We pull the upholstery up and see how everything looks. Hey, look at that. We've got it flipped back over now. See what we've got going on here. I'm going to peel this tape off and we're going to finish this outside. I've got a little bit of finish work to do over my openings I had to leave for the tabs here. Those are upside down before and I couldn't get to them real well, so I waited until I turned it over. Now you can see what this thing is really like. It is a 57 Thunderbird aftermarket hardtop. Putting factory style portholes in it. Had to make up the thickness for them. So I'm going to get this all prepped up. All we have left now is a little corrective work on this lip here where I couldn't get it. Like I said, it was upside down before, so this was hard to see. A little bit on these openings, clean those up. Then we're going to finish off the body work out here. I'll peel this tape off. We'll finish up the body work out here, get some primer on it and block it. I do not have to paint the black in on this. The owner is going to do that. So as soon as I have the body work done, it'll be ready to be picked up. All right, we're bringing it back when we finish this up. Okay, here we are. Flipped over, finished off. I have a glaze of icing to put on yet, but we'll try the fit on these. If I can do this one-handed. Can't quite see where they go one-handed here. Oh, there we go. Once I hit the right spot, see how nice and flush that they fit. Nice. Other side over here. Maybe I'll this one a little bit better. I think this one even fits a little more snugly. There we go. They fit real nice. Like I said, we've got some scratches here, and I'm going to put some icing over top of this and make sure my blend line here is good. Then we'll prime the area and block that out, finish our body work. So I'll bring you back when we make more progress. Alright, here we are with our icing put on. Just a glaze around. Light glaze, my hand sand this down, wash this out, get our blend fixed onto our paint line we had to grind back. Bring you back after sand it out. Alright, let's put a little guide coat on here and knock her down. See where our low spots are. I'm going to prime these now. It's nice so. Maybe I get some prime on them, we'll block them out, be good to go. Alright, here we are in prime. There he is, our in primer now. We're going to go ahead now and I'll mist a little bit of guide coat over these and we're going to block them down with some 320. And that'll be about it on this job. I don't have to paint this. The owner is going to repaint. So I'll bring it back when this is all sanded. We'll do a final fit on the trim rings, make sure everything's good. Get ready to flip it back over, back on its top again, and I'll finish off the interior on it at that point. Then it'll be ready for pickup. I'll bring you back when we make more progress. Alright, we're going to try this one-handed again. Trim ring up here, so I've got this all Sand it in now with 320. Come out real nice. Body looks nice on it. Should paint up real well. You'll prep this area. I don't think I try to spot it in for this small top. I think I just paint the whole top again. But that'll be up to them. Like I showed before on these, you have to insert the top first. I can find out where they're at here. I can't see it. There we go. Insert the top. They go right in. They pull it on real nice. They suck down real nice and tight around the edge of the bodywork. So they look really good. There's the right side in place. I'll come over here and do this one. This side fits a little tighter. We'll see if I can put this baby in there one-handed. This side too, same way. Body looks real nice. Sand it in nice, blend it in nice. Should paint out real nice. See our nice lip here that we made. This is all fabricated out of fiberglass. See those top grooves now? Where these go in, you can see they're set back, so these slide in first. The bottom ones run all the way up to the edge. Okay, try to put this thing in here. There we go. See, with two hands it goes right in. One hand, you have to kind of work it around a little bit. Everyone gets the idea. There's 4 tabs I showed you, so it bolts through to the inside bezel. Again, fits real nice. All around our bodywork edge, the contour is correct on it. So there you have it. Next I'm going to turn this back upside down and finish off the inside of it. I'll probably mount one of these, leave the other one out so the owner can see what we've got, and then it'll be up to him. He'll have one in and one out. He'll be able to take them apart, get ready to paint it. So I'll bring you back when we get that far.